Hey, what up YouTube, Emin here. This is the Generation 7 CAT Tourniquet, or the Combat Application Tourniquet by North American Rescue. And I'm going to show you the new feature of this. We're just going to compare it to the previous model right here. So here we go. So first thing that we're going to, so it comes with this right here. So there are three colors, as you can see: the tactical black, the blue one, and then the bright orange. So here, one significant feature is the buckle. So right now it has a single buckle here compared to the previous model right here that I have on my left. There, as you can see. So basically, the previous model, for the upper extremities you can just use the single buckle here, but for the lower extremities or the legs, they suggest to use this double buckle here, or dual buckle. But the problem is you're gonna have a hard time adjusting this. So you're gonna have to adjust the windlass more because of that. But for the newer one, whether it's the upper or the lower extremities, you only have one or a single buckle insert here. Okay, now you can adjust this Generation 7. You can adjust it tighter and then use the windlass. So for the windlass also, you have a thicker windlass right here compared to the old one, and it has this aggressive design compared to this one, so for better grip when your hands are wet or muddy or bloody. And also on the side right here, let me compare this. On the side you can tell that this clamp, or whatever you call this, it's also beefier, right? And then the time stamp now is in gray color compared to this one. It's in white. Okay, so another feature here is the old one is printed, and then the newer model, or the Gen 7, is the back plate is injected molded. So in case of counterfeiting, because there's a lot of counterfeit CAT tourniquet out there that are made in China. So the previous model, you can see old models that has this manufacturing date, but the newer one, you see there, it's different. So it's and also this part right here is much thicker. So basically those are just the feature. The thickness is still the same here. But basically, those are the feature of the cat tourniquet or the combat application. Tourniquet generation 7. This is probably the popular tourniquet right now, next to the Softy, and everyone should have a tourniquet on their trauma kit. This is, in my opinion, the most important item in your trauma kit. And that's my short and simple video on this one. Again, that's the cat tourniquet Gen 7. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Peace.